Thanks for using Mathchops. Every question on this site is based on actual questions from real tests. We pick the best ones for you to practice based on your previous answers. Now, all the games and quizzes are tied to the level you've achieved on this main game called the Level Challenge. You can see that this student has achieved a level 22, and so that means that when she plays Diamond Dash or Break the Bank or a category challenge, all of those questions are going to be at level 22, and they're also going to take into account the ones she's missed or gotten right in the past. The scores you get on the level challenge are going to be very similar to the ones you get on practice tests, and you'll notice that when this score goes up, your real test scores go up too. Now, if you want to try to improve your level, you can take the challenge. You can see that this is a short quiz. If you get this many questions right before you get 3 wrong, then your level will go up and all the other quizzes will get a little bit harder. You'll notice that every question has an explanation. And you're also able to star all the questions in case you want to review them later. Now, sometimes this level is going to be kind of hard for you to beat. And in that case, what you want to do is try to practice the questions that are blocking you. Your first step should be to go to the Analyze page so you can see what you've been doing. This will show you how many questions you answered in the last week, how many you got right. It'll also break down your performance by category. And you can use this to create a quiz. So here I'm going to go to the Create a Quiz page. I can change the number of questions if I want. I can turn off the timer. And I can target specific categories. So general skills was pretty low. This will give me a bunch of questions that are just above or at my level, 23 to 27. And I can either just practice the ones that they give me, or if I want to remove some, it'll suggest others. I can also pin questions, and what that'll do is allow me to change the category while retaining those questions. So you'll see those two are still there. That allows you to target specific questions that you're seeing while you practice. Another great way to practice you can find by clicking this treasure box and going to the tab that says Category Challenges. This allows you to target specific levels of difficulty within all of the different categories. So let's say you want to work on Area Perimeter Volume, level 25. This is a 6-question quiz. If you get 6 questions right before you get 2 wrong, then you're going to earn this level 25 badge. And this is a great way to sort of just target all of the different categories in a systematic way. Another really good thing to do is just practice the things you missed. Every time a question shows up in Mathchops, it has different numbers, so you can practice the same numbers over and over without being able to just memorize the answers. There are lots of different games and quizzes on the site, and they're all going to pick the best questions for you to practice. So Break the Bank is a betting game. You enter your answer as usual, but then you have to bet according to how confident you are in your answer. So in this case, I'm pretty confident. I'm going to bet it all. And you can see that I went up to 6,000. If I get up to 1,000,000, then I break the bank and I win. Another good one is Diamond Dash. This is really a time management game. So there's 5 minutes, 12 questions. You might not be able to answer them all, so you have to pick which one you want to do first. And the games aren't just on this homepage. If you click this right arrow, you'll see lots of other ones. There's a score predictor. That one starts you at level 13. And then when you get questions right, this goes up in real time. You can also access the category challenges from this page, or you can practice for the challenge, and that's going to target the questions that are blocking you when you're trying to beat this level challenge. Finally, if you want to change your avatar, you can go to this avatar tab and change your hair or your shirt. You can also earn these different, the Selleck, the weird mouth, whatever you want. But the main idea really is to work on the things that are blocking you so that you can improve this score and then improve your real scores as a result. And the main thing to do is improve this level when you think it's a bit low, and then target your weaknesses when you think it's accurate and you just want to improve your overall skill level. I hope you like it. Email us if you have any questions at team@mathchops.com.